24 children aged 10 to 12 years benefited from a basketball clinic held at the Manchester Club in Mandeville recently. Courtney Morgan reports.
The one-day clinic was conducted by former Homo Technical High School basketballer Michael Morgan, who now owns MVM Basketball Academy, and involved two schools, Bethabra and Villa Road Primary. The aim?
As we see the youth in Jamaica now, they need something to keep them active, to keep them going after school. And not only basketball, also my literacy program that I'm introducing to the kids, because we want better athletes and better students as well.
To drive the literacy component of the program, MVM partnered with literacy coach Stacey Robinson, whose students also participated in the event.
And I also enjoy the drills that were going on. I participated in them because as a teacher, I like to know what the students are doing, the rigor that they have to go through, and how can I use that to integrate into literacy. So as they dribble, they can say letter sounds. As they shoot, they can talk about sight words. And these are things that we are doing. Any sport it is, YCATS can incorporate literacy and numeracy as a part of that program.
Kitalia Thompson of Bethabra Primary and Villa Road Primary's Roshan Simpson were two of the eager participants.
It's interesting, and from I was little, I am interested in basketball. And when I came, I learned some new things like cross pass.
I learned shooting, dribbling, passing the ball, and shooting in the hoop.
Roland Robinson was among a group of coaches out of Canada supporting the initiative.
The one thing that Jamaica never lacks is talent and potential. So, even if you look at the NBA now, the Thompson twins are taking the NBA by storm. You have a lot of guys, Stewart, you have so many guys, Norm Powell. Even one of our Toronto Raptor guys is actually a Jamaican, of Jamaican descent. So, again, we know that all we need here is opportunities for kids, and we can see them reach the different heights that others before them have reached.
And with the program focused on not only shooting hoops, but on teaching life skills as well, this parting shot from Coach Morgan.
Sports in general, basketball especially, there's a lot of opportunity, to get a free education, college, high school first, then college, and then, to the pros, NBA or WNBA if they're female. But the most important thing for me is for them to learn discipline, because through sports, discipline, and get an education, because sports can cut short at any time. But once they get the college degree or they get a high school education, that's the ultimate goal for me.
With some support locally, MVM hopes to expand the program to the rest of Manchester and to the neighbouring parishes of St. Elizabeth and Clarendon. Courtney Morgan, TVJ Sports.